Welcome to this Google Gemini tutorial for beginners. I've published a few previous videos on this channel that demonstrate my favorite features in Google's Gemini AI, so I thought now would be a good time to add a full step-by-step, beginner-friendly guide to my playlist. You've probably heard the buzz about AI and wondered if it's actually something you can use without a computer science degree. The short answer is yes. Google Gemini is one of the most powerful and friendly AI tools available today. Think of it as a superpowered assistant that lives inside your browser and phone, ready to help you write, plan, learn, or even see the world through your camera. If you felt a bit hesitant to start, don't worry. This guide breaks everything down so you can go from curious to confident in just a few minutes. By the way, thanks for watching AI copywriting tools. If you'd like to see more tutorials from this channel, please like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. If you ever have a question or want to request a tutorial, I respond to every single comment. Getting started with Gemini. Setting up Gemini is simple, because if you have a Google account, you're already halfway there. Visit the site, go to gemini.google.com on your computer. Sign in, use your existing Gmail or Google account. The app, if you're on mobile, download the Gemini app from the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Check your version. You'll start on the free version. There is a Gemini Advanced tier that offers more complex reasoning, but the free version is more than enough for most beginners. How to talk to the AI. The biggest hurdle for most people is the blank box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you type your prompts or instructions. To get the best results, talk to Gemini like you're talking to a smart friend. Be specific. Instead of saying write an email, try write a short, friendly email to my boss asking for a day off next Friday for a family wedding. Give it a role. You can tell Gemini who to be. Try starting a prompt with act as a professional travel agent or act as a 5th grade science teacher. This helps the AI choose the right tone and level of detail. Use the multimodal features. Gemini isn't just for text. You can click the plus icon to upload a photo. For example, you could upload a picture of a strange plant in your backyard and ask, "What is this, and how often should I water it?" Understanding the models inside the app. When you use the Gemini app, you are actually interacting with different versions of Gemini AI. Depending on your settings or subscription, you might see these terms. Gemini Flash. This is the speedster. It is built for quick, everyday tasks. If you need a fast summary of an article or a quick grammar check, Flash is the model doing the work. It's snappy and efficient. Gemini Pro. This is the brain. It is designed for much more complex reasoning. If you are asking for help with coding, advanced math, or deep creative writing, the Pro model is usually the one handling those heavy-duty requests. Gemini Advanced. This is the paid subscription tier. It gives you priority access to the most capable models, like Gemini 3.1 Pro, and a massive context window, which means you can upload hundreds of pages of documents or hours of video for the AI to analyze all at once. Gemini for business and side hustles. If you're looking to save time or make some extra money, Gemini is a game changer. It's like having a marketing team, a personal assistant, and a data analyst in your pocket. Let's look at how to supercharge your side hustle with AI. These are just a few methods that are currently trending. E-commerce listings. Don't stare at a blank screen while listing items on eBay or Etsy. Snap a photo of your product, upload it to Gemini and ask, "Write a high-converting product description for this vintage camera." Include keywords like film photography and manual focus. Content creation. Need to post on social media but have no ideas? Ask, "I run a local lawn care business. Give me 5 educational TikTok ideas that would help homeowners in the spring." Smart pricing. Ask Gemini to help you stay competitive. Try, "I'm selling handmade candles for $15. My materials cost $4 and it takes 30 minutes to make one. Suggest a pricing strategy that covers my time and helps me scale." How to automate your small business with AI. This is where we really get cooking. Email management. Use the Gmail extension to clear your inbox. Ask, "Summarize all unread emails from the last 24 hours and highlight any that require an immediate reply. Meeting Assistant. If you use Google Meet, Gemini can automatically take notes, summarize the key decisions made, and list the action items for everyone on the team. Document drafting. Need a contract or a proposal? Ask. Draft a simple service agreement for a freelance graphic design project, including sections for scope of work, payment terms, and revisions. Now let's connect Gemini to your apps. One of the best things about Gemini is how it works with the Google tools you already use. This is done through extensions. Open Settings. Click the gear icon or your profile picture and find Extensions. Toggle on your favorites. Turn on Google Maps, YouTube, and Google Workspace, Docs, Drive, and Gmail. Put it to work. Once these are on, you can ask things like, find the flight confirmation email in my Gmail and add the dates to my calendar. Or, summarize the project notes document in my Google Drive. Here are some tips for getting better outputs from your AI assistant. You don't need to be a prompt engineer to get great answers. Just keep these 3 rules in mind. Iterate. If the first answer isn't perfect, just tell Gemini what to change. Say make it shorter or add more detail about the second point. Check the facts. While Gemini is very smart, it can sometimes get facts wrong. Always double-check important information, like dates or medical advice. Use Gemini Live. On the mobile app, you can tap the waveform icon to have a real-time voice conversation. It's great for brainstorming ideas while you're driving or cooking. Google Gemini is a tool designed to make your life easier. Don't be afraid to experiment, ask silly questions, or push it to see what it can do. You can't break it, so dive in and start exploring. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to like the video and subscribe to AI copywriting tools. I'll publish another video soon.